We're handing over these items to you, the Junior Secondary School, Kurudu, on behalf of Nigerian Shippers Council.
The Nigerian Shippers Council, NSC, as part of its corporate social responsibility, has donated sick bay equipment to Junior Secondary School, Kurudu, in the Federal Capital Territory to attend to students' medical needs. The News Agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that the Executive Secretary of NSC, Mr. Hassan Bello, while presenting the items to the school, said the gesture was to support and empower needy Nigerians. Represented by Rakiya Nuhu, the Deputy Director, ABUJA LIAISON Office of NSC, Bello reiterated the Council's commitment to its social responsibility, which he said was targeted at grassroots people.
Our gathering here today is necessitated by the passion of the Chief Executive Officer, Barrister Hassan Bello, of the Nigerian Shippers Council, to support and empower Nigerians in the need on different ways as part of the corporate social responsibility which we do every year. So accordingly, the government junior secondary school was found qualified to attract the attention of Nigerian Shippers Council's corporate social responsibility intervention and was graciously chosen as one of its beneficiaries for the 2020 corporate social responsibility exercise. Consequently, the Council is hereby today to deliver to the school's clinic the following items. We have 2 hospital beds. We have 2 air mattresses for the hospital beds. We have 2 irons, that's the Philip irons. We have 4 blankets. We have 4 mosquito nets. We have 4 bed sheets. We have 4 towels. Then we have 1 generator, Honda 5 kVA generator. We have the hot water bottles. We have a rechargeable fan. Then we also have the double door fridge for the medication. You can put your medicine in, and then 4 buckets to help. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Nigerian Shippers Council's joy will know no bounds when we find out that these items are judiciously used in touching the lives of the ordinary Nigerians.
The principal of the school, Mrs. TALATU ISAH, appreciated NSC's support to the school through the Queen Agnes Foundation, adding that the gesture was not just for the school, but for the Kurudu community at large, adding that the items would be put to judicious use for the benefit of the students.
So we want to still call on the Shippers Council in any way you can support. We are just like Oliver Twist that will always ask for more. Out of the 5 items we have outlined, if you can still come in, I'm sure this school will be transformed to an urban school. And Kurudu community will cease from being a rural school, a rural community to an urban community, because school education is paramount in every community. And if this is not being catered for, it will affect effective teaching and learning.
And for her part, Mrs. THELMA AKINDURU, President, Queen Agnes Foundation, appreciated the NSC for responding to the request to provide the items for the school.
Being moved by the fact that that is very essential, especially this period of COVID-19, where a lot of medical attention is needed for the children, I began to think, prayerfully ask questions on how best to handle this issue without being dried up. And I approached the Shippers Council in the person of Rakiya Nuhu, and I was able to express myself, asking that, look, this is a school in Kurudu that really needs help, and I think we should really find a way of helping them.